Morning, guys. Morning. Empilweni, understand this. Your reason people, your season people, and your lifetime people. If you understand that those types of relationships, those three types of people in your life, you will be more accepting of why abantu do what they do, or why other certain relationships play out the way that they do in your life. We are in a journey, it's a journey, and kule journey, kuzoza different types of relationships according to where you are in the journey and what you need at that time in your journey. Kuzoba less to be upset with people, kuzoba less to hold grudges, kuzoba less to blame, because you will evaluate every time something happens, or every time you are treated in a certain way in a particular relationship or by a certain person. Ukuthi bebeza the way you category those people. Your reason people, I think they're the most challenging ones, because they come, and most of the time sort of like they disrupt impilo yakho. They come with a bang, if I may put it. Because there's a reason. Either that person is coming to reflect something, or that person is coming to teach you something, or that person is coming to unravel something, or that person is coming to awaken you. Baba a catalyst. Hence, they are the reason in our lives. And I'm a reason. Once the reason has been served, the person will move. But if Tina, because we like attaching and holding on, if you don't let go, or you don't understand that this was a reason, and the reason has been fulfilled, and therefore the person, the relationship has to end, and you hold on, you will be abruptly, most highly unlikely, abruptly moved or removed from that relationship, or that person will be moved in a way that sometimes is harsh and very painful or hurtful. Understand that Aborigine, most of the time are there to awaken us to something about ourselves, to help us reflect on something about ourselves, to teach us something about ourselves. And basic Bible season. When you are in a season of drought, or you are in a season of pain, you are in a season where you've experienced loss, or you are in a season where you are elevating, and this person or this relationship is either as somebody that has helped you elevate, or you are in a drought, or you are in sadness, or you are in whatever, and this person is coming as a comforter, but not necessarily ukuthi they are going to be there with you or for you forever until till. But because you are in this particular season, this person is there to help you transition, through a phase, or through a particular change. Most of the time, those people will make sense. They will be able to say things to you that those relationships will make sense for that particular thing that you are going through. That is a change, that is a transition. Whether it's a growth, or whether it's a pain, whether it's a challenge, but whatever season, then that relationship is there to serve leso skhathi leso. Then there are lifetime people. Lifetime people are there. They are the reason they are this season. They are just there. They are there in your elevation. They are there in your lows, they are there. They know you behind all the masks or all the whatever that we put up for the world, or they know the real you. Those are the people that you know. I can cry in front of. I can be without makeup and whatever's with them. I can bear my challenges with them. They are there, ngijabulile, they are there, during my joys and my happiness and my celebrations, but they are also there in my tears, in my sorrows, in my, periods of grief. They are a lifetime. And with my lifetime, Guba, even when you go through disagreements or fights, you always find your way back to each other's lives. And I'm not even talking here relationships that are romantic or, it's all in all relationships, friendships, family relationships, you know, so labo, you always find your way back to each other, no matter which drift apart for what, because those are your lifetime people. You kubana this love between you and those people or that person. Kubana this love in that relationship that is authentic and unconditional, in a sense that nithandana as you are, as you are. So know your relationships and know your people, so that you don't get hurt, even when you are not supposed to get hurt, because certain people have moved away from your life, because certain relationships have ended, because you have to move, or you have to cut certain people or certain relationships. Would you understand that, okay, this person was here for this season, I needed them for that, or they needed me, or I was a season to them, I was a reason to them. And to just take care of your lifetimes, but also love your seasons, love your reason people, because they all come to serve a particular purpose. Have a great Friday ahead.